The Daily Mail says that Frank's Pepe Pizzeria in New Haven is #1. Governor Ned Lamont did not waste any time bragging.
Yeah, he tweeted, "Best pizza in the U.S." with the pizza emoji. Of course, the other two tri-state governors disagreed. Governor Murphy responding, "Stay in your lane, Ned."
Yeah, Governor Cuomo saying, guys, you can slug it out for second place. We all know who's #1. Viewers also sounding off about the pizza feud on Pix 11's Facebook and Instagram pages. Earl Fuller says, everyone knows New York has the best pizza and bagels because we have the best water.
Yeah, Just a Working Guy says the worst pizza in New York is better than any pizza in Jersey or Connecticut. And Erica O'Neill says New Jersey doesn't have the best anything except traffic.
All right, then poor Chicago got dragged into this debate that was really in the tri-state.
Yeah.
Jay Shu says you want garbage pizza that doesn't deserve the name? Try Chicago deep dish or just eat a jar of ragu while shoving Italian bread into your mouth. Same thing.